today's video we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base box for October. Now I do have an unboxing already up on my channel for you guys, so make sure to check those out as well. But this is a different variation. This was sent to me in PR and I'm excited to show you guys what is in this box. But before we get into the video, as always guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess, and it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we play in makeup, we review makeup, and at the end of the day, we remember it's just makeup. We're here to have fun. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe. I upload all the time, Monday through Friday, 12:15 Eastern time, and I do pop up some extra videos as well, and I do try and upload on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So stick around, subscribe so you don't miss out. Turn on that notification bell. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram as well. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing of our October base box for 2020. Okay guys, so a little information about the Boxycharm Base box. This is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month. Now this one was sent to me in PR to show you guys a different variation of the products. I have used a lot of the products in here as well, so I can give you guys a little 411 on the products, as well as you guys always ask me what the weight of the box is. So I do have my mail scale sitting right here next to me so I can weigh it for y'all. And it does come to 1 pound 3 ounces. So let's go ahead and jump right in. We do see that there is a card in the box. Now every single month there is a theme to our box, and this month's is Boxycharm Candy Shop. And there is a little save the date reminder for Boxy pop-up that will be coming in November. Matter of fact, it will be November 10th. This is when you can save up to 80% off of amazing products. Everything from lifestyle, beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, you name it, it's there. And I've been purchasing things for Christmas since July. I just get really excited for Christmas. Anyways guys, on the back you will see everything that is in here, a little description of everything as well as the retail value. Now like I said, this box is $25 and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. As always, you do get to customize one item in the box, and the choices for this month were absolutely amazing. The item that is the choice item for this particular box is the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. This is a full size. All of the products are full size in here, and this is 1 fluid ounce. It does have a retail value of $24. It is a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecule weight hyaluronic acid. So with this, well, at least in Kentucky with the weather changing, this is going to be perfect. You can put this right directly onto your skin, or you can mix it into your moisturizer or even your body lotion if you want, just saying. And I have seen this as add-ons in the past, so hopefully this will be available for you guys as well in the add-on or Boxy pop-up. Moving right along, the next item in here is by Sol de Janeiro, and this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, and this particular one is in the shade Teeny Bikini. Now I received the Keep It Rio. Yeah, I received the Keep It Rio in a different base box, and I have it on today mixed with my Ace Beauté lip liners. I actually did a little tutorial, whatever you want to call it, over on Instagram, so that video should be up by now if you guys are interested. This is a beautiful coral shade. I mean, look how pretty this is. This is full size. It does have a retail value of $20, and I can tell you guys, I have not been the best at drinking my gallon of water I typically drink a day, and my lips have been on the little dry side. So I've been exfoliating and then using my Brazilian lip butters, and oh my gosh, my lips feel amazing. These smell delicious. The first time I ever unboxed one, smelled it and applied it, I geeked out, freaked out, and just fell in love. So I'm really hoping I mean, is that not beautiful? I am so hoping these are part of Boxy pop-up or an add-ons, because I definitely want to give these as gifts. I want the whole flipping collection, because these are such a pretty light tint to the skin. They're just gorgeous. They smell like fried Oreos or funnel cake or donuts, like a carnival. As I told you guys, it smells like a carnival. Okay, so the next item I'm seeing in here is the Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rhodial. And I told you guys I was pretty intrigued by these. I didn't know much about these. This does have a retail value of $60, and it is, again, full size, nice frosted type of glass with a little dropper. Now, a little information about these. Like I said, they do have a retail value of $60, and they illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow. With this new Soft Focus Glow Drops, the skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. I'm pretty intrigued by this, so let's open her up. Oh, it's much bigger. It smells clean. It reminds me of amoxicillin. You know when your kids are little and you've got to give them that? Okay, so it's a really nice lightweight, as it says, serum. Has like a very natural fresh, is that not fresh as in like that linen scent, but like, I don't know. But it does feel nice. I will definitely test this out as a, oh, and there is a luminosity there as a primer. Very soft. I mean, it is definitely a very soft, radiant glow. So let me know if you guys have tried this out before. I'm not for sure if this was part of our add-ons before, like where we could, you know, get this at a discounted price. I did see, like I said, the Varsali drops in here. So next I see this little cute bag, and it does say it is from Hipdot. It does look, oh, there's two of them in here. So we've got two little makeup sponges in here. They do have a retail value of $18. It says, enjoy an amazing color changing sponge. Okay. Watch it expand twice the size when it is wet. It creates a buildable makeup application with minimal product waste. That's intriguing. It literally throws me back to, I can't remember what those t-shirts were. Do you guys remember? They were like pink, and then you put your hand on there, they'd get hot, and then they turn like purple or vice versa. I mean, I don't know, but I do see this is definitely like pink, and then when it warms up, maybe it's turning white. That's cool. I do like the way they feel. They are very soft and comfortable feeling, so I do like that. It reminds me of that $1 Billion Beauty sponge that we received last month, very similar to the BK Beauty sponge. You guys know I love that as well. So I'm always happy to have these in backup. And then the last item in here, which I actually did also receive this particular item, so you guys will see this in a future giveaway or what have you. But this is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee Face Palette, which mine is sitting right here. Like I said, I do have this on today, and you will see me use all the colors over on Instagram. I actually did do a swatch, and I'm going to do a swatch for you guys today. These are really great. This is a bronzer and contour, and I did use those today, and then I did mix the blushers in here as well. And this one right here, I love it. It reminds me of the NARS Orgasm blush. It is so pretty. These are nice. These are pigmented. Just dab your brush in, because you can pick up a lot. I love the way this formula is. And as far as the highlighters go, I actually mixed both of these highlighters. So like I said, follow me over on Instagram and you can see how I applied everything. But like I said, I actually mixed both of these highlighters together. So I think this is going to be a very versatile type of palette that a lot of people are going to find works very, very well for them. And a little information about that Pretty Vulgar palette. It does have a retail value of $32. And like I said in here, you're going to be receiving a I use this as a bronzer, a little bit of this as a contour. Worked on my nose as well. I mixed these two together to kind of contour my nose a little bit. I mixed both of these blushes together, so you're going to get 2 blushers and then of course 2 highlighters, which again I mixed together. Now I know not everybody is going to be able to use this darker type of highlighter, but just make it versatile, you know, make it multitasking. It's a very versatile palette where you could use this on your eyelids as well, and you could make a beautiful eye look with this palette. So don't only think that this is only good for your face. You can totally put this on your eyes as well and create very, very beautiful looks. Okay guys, so that is everything in this variation 75 box. Let me go ahead, add everything up and give you guys the retail value of this $25 box. Okay guys, so like I said, this box is $25. You do get to customize 1 item in here, and the grand total of everything in this box did come to a total of $154. As far as my thoughts on this box, I think it was a very good box. It was definitely more on the skincare heavy type of side, but I do like that it was kind of half and half as well, because then we also are seeing some makeup products in here. So I think it was a good box, and I am very pleased with everything in here. So thank you again to Boxycharm for sending this box over my way to show you guys everything in here. I'm excited to try these products out, especially this one to use as a primer. So definitely stay tuned for that. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below. What was your favorite item for October? What are you most looking forward to? I will tell you, hands down, out of everything that I have gotten in my boxes, the Brazilian Sol de Janeiro lip butter, you could have just given me that and I would have been happy. I kid you not. I love these. 1 for my purse, 1 for my desk, and I am just a happy, happy girl. So anyways, guys, don't forget, add-ons open up October 12th. Not for sure when I'm going to get this video up for you guys, but hopefully I get it up to you guys in time. Don't forget, guys, October 12th is when add-ons open up, as well as choice opens up for the November premium and base box. Stay tuned. So I will be coming back and talking about some of the items that we may be seeing in our choices for October 12th. So anyways, guys, that is all for today. Until next time, as always, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm. There will be a link in my description box down below, as well as in the comments section. If I can find any coupon codes for y'all, I always try and list those down below for you guys as well. So until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys. Don't forget, there's also a giveaway going on. Yeah, so make sure to check that video out and go over to that video to enter into the giveaway. Okay, bye guys.